Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We want to explain about connector of contrast. Before we start explaining, let me introduce myself. My name is Novel Hardika Taufikur Rahman.
And my name is Angga Satyo Andiko.
Okay, we start about definition first. Judging from the name, connectors of contrast function to connect to contradictory sentence.
Dilihat dari namanya, konjungsi kontras berfungsi untuk menghubungkan dua kalimat yang saling bertentangan.
Next, we are looking for function connector of contrast. Emphasis. Making certain aspect stand out more prominently, this emphasis can create stronger impact on the reader view.
Next is clarity. By presenting opposing ideas side by side, this connector help clarity distinction, allowing for better understanding.
The next is engagement. Contrast encourage engagement and critical thinking. Readers and listeners are asked to analyze different elements and draw conclusion. For the next is type of connectors of contrast.
Number 1 is conjunction. Number 2, transitional phrase. And the last, proposition.
Okay, first, type of conjunction. Okay, for the first, I want to explain about but and yet. But it use a statement which is different from what you have said before. For an example, sebagai contoh, dia sangat tampan tapi dia orang yang sangat kasar. And yet, it is used to add something that is surprising after the first sentence which are mentioned before. Sebagai contoh, wanita itu pendek dan kelebihan berat badan, namun entah bagaimana dia sangat menarik. Next is although and even though. Although is used to introduce a new statement that makes the main statement surprising. For an example, meskipun dia mencintai pekerjaannya, dia memutuskan untuk berhenti dari pekerjaannya. And even though, used as a stronger way of saying although or despite, even though emphasizes a fact or something that has happened or is happening. For an example too, meskipun saya memenuhi semua kriteria yang dibutuhkan untuk pekerjaan itu, saya tidak diterima. Dan penggunaan kalimat although dan even though hanya di awal dan juga tengah kalimat.
Next is even if and whereas. Even if is a form of superstition. Even if is still imagination or something that has not actually happened. For example, even if he is very angry, I think he will smile. Meskipun dia sangat marah, saya pikir dia akan tersenyum. Whereas it used for comparing two things which have significant difference from each other. Kan atau whereas digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal yang memiliki perbedaan yang signifikan satu sama lain. Sebagai contoh, daging ayam berwarna putih, daging sapi berwarna merah.
For the next is transition of phrase. There is on the other hand and however. The other hand, this phrase is introduce an alternative perspective or opposing viewpoint. Frasa ini memperkenalkan perspektif alternatif atau sudut pandang yang berlawanan. Sebagai contoh, saya suka bermain sepak bola, di sisi lain kakak saya suka bermain basket. And next is however. It signals a shift in thought, often presenting a contradictory idea after preceding a statement. Frasa ini menandakan pergeseran pemikiran yang seringkali menghadirkan ide yang bertentangan setelah pernyataan yang ada sebelumnya. For an example, she sings so beautiful, however, she is a slaughterer.
Okay, for the last is preposition. Unlike, it highlights difference by insinuating something that doesn't share a certain characteristic with another things. For example, the hotel is confidently located unlike the one we stayed is last year. Hotel ini berlokasi strategis, tidak seperti hotel tempat kami menginap tahun lalu.
Okay. Last but not least, despite and in spite of atau meskipun dan terlepas dari, it is used to show something which happened without being affected by something else. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang terjadi tanpa dipengaruhinya oleh hal lain. Despite and in spite of are followed by nouns, pronouns, and verb ing. Despite and in spite of diikuti oleh kata benda, kata ganti, dan juga kata kerja. Okay, for an example of despite. Despite everything he said to me, I can't stop thinking of her. And for example, in spite of is Angga is still doing her homework in spite of being very tired. Artinya apa Bang Messi? Yang despite, terlepas dari semua yang dia katakan padaku, aku tidak bisa berhenti memikirkannya. Dan yang in spite of, yaitu Angga masih mengerjakan pekerjaan rumahnya meskipun ia sangat lelah. Oke, sekian penjelasan dari kami, Naufal dan Angga. Kami pamit dari video kali ini, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Don gak Bang Opal?
Done.